If you are like most people, you have a handful of videos that you have saved to watch later on YouTube. But how do you find them? In this video I will show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube, so you can watch them whenever you want. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the YouTube mobile application, and then you should log in into your YouTube account. Then you should tap on Library at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit and tap Watch Later. And here you are. You can see all your saved video on one place. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.